This is Jardin des Tuileries. Loads of people are here. This lady is feeding the birds, and that's why they come and sit around. These birds are very clever. They are so amazing. They catch food in mid-air, like they're playing volleyball. Yeah. I don't know their name, but they're golden. They look brown from here, but they're actually very nice in color. And these are the chicks. These are new birds all around. They're very hungry. But here people feed them. Isn't this a beautiful garden made by Maria de Medici? It's now Saturday afternoon, 5 o'clock, and people are all out and about. I think it's because spring is in the air. I'm following the birds. That's the Louvre. And I'm going to have to walk some more.